funky, the funky, the funky.
Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D, news time, ladies and gentlemen. As the news they boy, now so we they give Antona. You get the news what we get for now today concerning that man, what they call Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the former governor of Lagos State, aka Jagaban or Ashawaju. And also this man when be the governor, the present governor of Kaduna State, what they call Arufai. He gets so many problems when they inside APC, when a lot of people never still understand. Say APC, APC don't already scatter finish. If in fact the people when be saying that them be the APC boss, now when be saying that then they control that political party, what they call APC, then get big problem among themselves. Somebody like this man, what they call this former Lagos State governor, Bola Tinubu, when we say now be the Ogbologbo of the whole Lagos State. When we say the man they show power like God. In fact, then they call him God. That is maybe mini God in Lagos State. Now they call him, they say the man now they are God. Because of signs and wonders when the man they do, when we never see man when don't do the kind things when Bola Tinubu they do. Not be say they do them in good faith. Corruption. Now his first name. You know say get the time. Somebody like Shatima. Mayati a lot of people, they don't want Tinubu before. Say making putting head inside. Making not dream about 2023. Now the matter don't come up again. You know say people when they do all these things. Now the Jubri himself, aka Buhari, or Buhari, aka Jubri, with the Kabas, including the Mayati Allah, including the northern governors. All of them don't ally together because Shatima don't come tell us say they don't go meeting where they don't talk say no Southerner or no Easterner go come Nigerian president come 2023. So the matter now don't reach level when we say this man when they call Arufai don't in personally travel enter Lagos, go warn Bola Tinubu, go give Bola Tinubu serious warning, tell Lagos State people say man make them forget about this godfatherism, this political godfatherism of Bola Tinubu, make them put them to an end. Una remember say during the time of election, Bola Tinubu go carry 2 billion van. Not be only that one. The man don't do so many things when we say we not know where this man. They can't bring when this man they take collect Lagos State people. When we see none of them if we stand up. In fact, in wife self they follow and they do what they do kati. Because I remember say before the election and wife don't come brag. Say she go run as deputy senator. She get all those things now come be like say I was sorrowful and about because I know say not to use them and dump them. They don't they fear Tinubu now. Now they can't send that man what they call Arufai say making go Lagos. Go tell Tinubu say enough fit. Say he no go be any president. If in they dream about presidency, make you just put that dream aside because that dream no go come to pass. Say na him when be Arufai, na him be the person when we see the northern people they don't volunteer. Say na the man I go be for them, not be for the whole Nigerian people. Because we know say now for the whole now for them Arufai won't become president, not be Asoro president. Now northern president. How can somebody like Arufai come and say he won't be Nigerian president? How can somebody like Bola Tinubu come and say they won't become Nigerian president? How can people open eye go vote for Tinubu or somebody like Arufai? Anyway, this is their fight. The thing just they begin, ladies and gentlemen, because the cabals then don't use this man, use and like crack, just like the way when they use corruption dump him. Now we don't hear again now say Fashola they don't dump him because Fashola name not they among the ministerial list when they say Buhari then go vet in London. They say Fashola name they mix according to the news. Now this Jagaban now the Northerners they want attack already. This man now don't tell them what he tell them say they don't need anything like godfatherism in APC. Now they want to destroy Bola Tinubu completely. In fact, Oshomole again make you they wait because now you be the next person when outside people go now Nigerian people then go know the kind of the way when these northern cabals and their Fulani people then they behave. Now una go know. All of una go one after the other. In fact, now they not come value Bola Tinubu again. The people now when they value, when they want to take it wayo, say na them they like. Now somebody like the Lagos State Governor, when be Governor Ambode. Let's talk about Fashola, but I know now say Ambode don't fall already as a governor. Now, the other man, when they call Sanwo Olu, now be Lagos State, the elected Lagos State governor.
Selected by Ashawaju.
Elected by the same man called Ashawaju. Selected by the same man called Ashawaju. Okay? Now, they say now Ambode and this man, what do they call Fashola? Now him, outside people now, they claim see maybe now then go come out, come fight against contest against this man they call Arufai and his group. This is the time of revolution. Whether Arufai travel go Lagos, whether I travel go America, we don't want to know. This is the time of revolution, ladies and gentlemen. These evil people, whether they call themselves politicians in that country, we have to say enough is enough to these people. Because without revolution, Nigeria is not going to... In fact, if there is no revolution, then the country better divide completely. Everybody have to go their way. Make everybody go their way, ladies and gentlemen. Look at somebody like Arufai. When don't kill, they enter position by position. Today now, Arufai, they come out as, they won't come out as Nigerian president. Look at Bola Tinubu when don't thief. Thief Lagos State people, hands down. Everything that belongs to Lagos State, Tinubu say na him own. And somebody like this man, what do they call Professor Wole Soyinka, they look like moron. And he say, in a professor. None of them fit challenge Bola Tinubu. Una know wetin baffle the Hausa people be say, Bola Tinubu can grow mind. Big time, come go carry 2 billion van. Now that one can scatter because he won't show the Northerners say ain't get too much power. Say even in power pass President Muhammadu Buhari when we say na him be the president of the country. Enough he try that when Bola Tinubu try. So now that thing now converse, he can scatter the whole cabas when they Aso Rock. Say man, if we begin look this man what they call Tinubu, he go come clench 2023. Now he make them come send this Arufai, say man, make it go draw that man ear, say make it not come out. Because all the whole Northerners go there against him. In fact, already, they done there against him already. Make una see how Nigeria they take scatter. Look at the kind of men where we get as our leaders. Look at the kind of people where we they call our leaders. Look at Ashawaju Bola Tinubu carry 2 billion van go take do election for Jubri. Now they don't do election now. Don't finish now. They don't they pursue Bola Tinubu. Funky D say this is the beginning, Mr. Tinubu. I was some Fulani people. Then go deal with you. So you go know say that your name. When they call say you be this, you be that. You go know what in they happen. If they not send you to prison. Because we know now say you go down they regret. Say why you go help these people. Go do what you they do because you not like Igbo people. You not like Igbo people. Look at what you do even because of this same Jubri. Can't tell Igbo people when them they trade fair. Say you lock up everywhere. Say make them leave Lagos because of the same Hausa Fulani people. You and your wife. Now this is your turn. The thing when they do corruption. Now your turn be this. And Oshomole, make una dey wait. Amechi, make una dey wait. Waiting be this man name. Or say Banjo, make una dey wait. Because all of una they support all these Hausa people. All of una they support this herdsmen. All of una they support Boko Haram. So make una wait because then they come. They are coming for you people. Seriously. Okay. Men, this is the rise and fall of Bola Tinubu. If we begin count the amount of money, ladies and gentlemen, when this Bola Tinubu don't rob Nigerian people, because not be only Lagosian, the whole Nigerian people, because the whole Nigerians, all the whole Nigerian people, they are Lagos. Every tribe. They that Lagos when be saying that then they make that money when Tinubu they see they go loot come out from the treasury. Not be only Lagosians get that money, but they call and say na Lagosian money. If we begin call the amount of money and the Bola Tinubu properties on what 400 billion, some what 400 million, some what 30 million billion, everything when the man get na billion. I wonder. Waiting give this man that guts to they do all these things when in they do to Lagos state people. In fact, to Nigeria as a whole. Now Aso Rock, that thing I won't be like a rat when enter inside water. Aso Rock, if they aim, say he won't go sit down, say now be Nigerian president. They never even think about how they won't take solve the problem. They never even talk about the 2019 when they kill people. Shed innocent blood, take rid themselves to power. They never talk about that. These people already done the aim 2023 when they don't even know whether they go last reach that time. Make una see their greediness. Make una see how much these Nigerian politicians them greedy reach. Not be smart thing. Not be smart thing. All the whole wuru and mago now when Bola Tinubu don't do with APC people. Now everything go begin to the play out. In fact, una see say the time when Jubri go there for Lagos, go do that Wayo commission. Where they commission? Nothing they there. Then go say they don't commission no. Everybody go to think say they won't start the project before you know 10 years, 20 years, you no go see any project. Now, Osinbajo don't go deceive them again. I mean, in Onitsha, in Igbo land, where they want to do that their Niger, second Niger bridge. Because they don't tell us, say the pictures, where would they see, where do they show, like say, they don't debut something, then say a newspaper. Now from newspaper, whether they take that picture, then post them, say they don't they construct a second Niger bridge. And now Buhari don't do it own, Osinbajo they do it own. That's why they tell Osinbajo say, now you be the next. Now you, they don't they find you since, they don't do you, helicopter don't fall, now again. Another one is coming. Another one is coming. Make una comot una hand for where this Hausa Fulani people dey. If una want better Nigeria, if una want a better nation, make una advocate for Nigeria to separate from the Northerners. I mean the South and the Southeast, make them separate from the Northerners. If una want better country, because nothing when they good when go come out from this Hausa and Fulani people. Not be today they don't they rule that nation or that country where they call Nigeria. Since when they don't they rule up till now, nothing, no electricity. Since 58 years they come, ladies and gentlemen, no electricity. What a shame. Buhari just travel, come from London, go enjoy AC, enjoy electricity, full-time electricity. He come back inside darkness. That will not be cause. Come back inside darkness. Not be say Nigerian people not get the money to put this in place. The money they there, but these people, and they carry the money, they put them for their pocket. So ladies and gentlemen, we say this one at the beginning and the end of Bola Tinubu, because now Buhari, aka Jubri, and the Kabas, they don't attack him. This man, what do they call? RFI personally travel, go Lagos, go challenge Tinubu. Tell Lagosians, say, may them come out hand for where Godfatherism they. But before the election, they not tell Lagosians, make you not see the wayo when these Hausa Fulani people, when they think say they don't know anything, say they're not wise. You think say they're not open eye, but now then they rule you. May you know say, then get sense pass you. So if you not take time, if you not advocate for division of that country, nothing good will ever come to that country as far as Hausa and Fulani people did that country. Now this matter we will get today, ladies and gentlemen. So if you get anything, any comment, when you want comment them. If you get anything, when you want to talk about this matter, comment them, ladies and gentlemen. And make sure see una continue to subscribe to Funky D. And make una not forget to press that bell sign, one touch. At any time when I upload, una go first watch my video. God bless you. And one love, everybody. Thank you.